This is legit my the fuck.
Before starting this video, I would just like to give a quick disclaimer that what works for you might not work for me, and what works for me might not work for you. So please just do not hate on me because I like something which did not work for you, or because I hate something which worked for you. It's completely fine for products to not work the same way on everyone because everybody has a different kind of skin. So yeah, that's all I wanted to clear out. Hey guys, how are y'all? So for today's video, I am actually going to do a video wherein I'll be talking to you guys about all my favorite products that I have emptied. This is part 1, and in part 2, I will be showing y'all my regrets which I have emptied. I mean, come on. If I've spent the money, I will make sure that I use it up. So yes, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe to my channel, also hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. And you can also follow me on my other social media like Instagram, Facebook. I will link all those pages down in the description box below. And yeah, let's get started. Starting off with skincare, my category number 1 is face washes, and for that I have emptied firstly these Lakme blush and glow face washes, and I already have a stock of like 3-4 of them. Like I'm using the kiwi one, and I also have a stock of this peach one as well as one of the strawberry one. But I can't even tell you how much I love these face washes. I belong to the oily combination skin type, and this works amazingly on my skin. The strawberry one as well as the kiwi one, they have certain micro beads, and they are so mild and they exfoliate your skin so gently. I really love the way these face washes work on my skin, and yeah, that's why it's in my favorites, and I have emptied so many of them. The next face wash has to be this Good Vibes Raspberry Peppermint face wash. And oh my god, I have done an entire review on this Good Vibes range. I had bought a lot of stuff from Good Vibes, and yeah, this is one of my favorite things I got from Good Vibes. तो ये वाला मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है. It gives a very refreshing and cooling feel on your face. It lathers up really well. It has a creme-like consistency, and I really liked it. It never stripped out my face, and I really would recommend this to anybody who has oily or combination skin. After face wash, the second best friend of anybody who has an oily skin is toners, and for that I have these two empties, and I absolutely love them. This one is the Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner. I swear to everything, this is an amazing toner. It refreshes your skin like anything. It has that cucumber like fragrance, so I really love this toner. Also, in my Good Vibes review video, I have reviewed this toner as well along with the face wash, so you can check that video out. I'll leave a link to that particular video in the I button as well as in the description box below, so you can go check it out, and if you all feel that it will suit you, then you can buy it as well. And the next one, oh god, I don't even have to mention which one this is. If you have been my follower since day 1, since the day I started my channel, I think everybody knows which toner this is. Like, I have literally used this toner in every skincare video that I have done on this channel. This is the Blossom Kochhar Aroma Magic Aromatic Skin Toner, and it is for oily skin. It tightens your pores and it revives your skin. And guys, this is so refreshing. It doesn't really have any kind of a smell, so that's a great thing, especially for me. I really don't like very strong fragrances or anything. That's the reason I don't even wear perfumes or deodorants or anything. So I think this can be a great investment for these kind of people, and oily skin people, go get this one. I swear to the Lord, you will enjoy this. The best part about both these toners is they come with a spray nozzle, so you don't even have to waste any cotton pads, like pour it on a cotton pad and then dab it on your face. You can just spritz and you will be done for the day. The next category is sunscreen, and I am pretty sure if you have been my follower since a long time, you know what is coming. You know what is coming, right? It's obviously the Neutrogena Ultra-sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. I have sweared by this product in every skincare video, also makeup videos. I mean, I always recommend people to wear sunscreen whether they are going out or whether they are staying at home, and I think this has been such a savior for me, an oily skin girl like me, during the winters. And I swear by this product. During summers, if you use a less amount of this sunscreen, I think that will be better for oily skin people. Otherwise, this is a life savior. The next category is serums, and as much as I swear by face washes, that is how much I swear by serums. I run out of face serums like this, and my favorite type of serum that I like to use is something which has a lot of vitamin C, because vitamin C, as you guys know, I have a lot of acne issues, and with acne comes acne scars, and that is why I really need to use something that helps me in fading acne scars. Vitamin C helps in producing collagen, which develops new skin cells, and thus it helps in reducing your scars. The favorite ones that I have used till now, I also have a third kind. Like, I love experimenting with face serums, and for some reason all the face serums that I've used till date have really worked for me. So the first one is the Saint Botanica Vitamin C 20% E and hyaluronic acid. This is a professional facial serum. When you apply this facial serum, you might feel a little bit of stickiness on your face, but honestly guys, this showed me results in my acne scars within like 7-8 days. I can't even tell you how happy I was, and this is my first serum. Because of this, I fell in love with serums, and then I experimented with the Jeva Vitamin C serum, which also has vitamin C 20%, hyaluronic acid, anti-aging and brightening properties. Now, this has some amount of oil, so even if you use this as a facial oil, for my oily girls out there, not for the dry skin people, even if you use it as a facial oil, it works amazingly. The only problem that people might have with this is the smell of it. You know, it smells like Johnson's Baby shampoo. Like, I'm not even kidding, it smells like the Johnson's Baby shampoo, and initially I found that quite fishy, but then once it started showing me results, I don't think it just mattered to me anymore. This also, just like the Saint Botanica one, it gave me amazing results, and I really enjoyed using them. Once I finish the one I'm currently using, I might repurchase the Jeva one, because I swear I liked this one more than this. So yes, I will definitely repurchase this. Now let's talk about some hair care, and there are two products that I have really enjoyed using on my hair. One is this Pantene Advanced Hairfall Solution. I know this is the chota wala pack, but then what happened is I had the bigger tub and I just threw it away once it got over, and I have one but it is full. So this is the only empty one that I had, and I really love this. It does control my hair fall to some extent. Like, I have hypothyroidism, and that is the reason I have tremendous amount of hair fall. But after I have started using this, I swear this has just reduced my hair fall, even if a little bit. The second product, oh my god, like, this is my life saver. I have a horribly oily scalp, like a horribly oily scalp, and I'm very lazy to apply shampoo every other day, man. Like, it's really boring, yeah. So I did some research and I came across the product which is called dry shampoos. So I thought, why not give it a try? And I bought the Be Blunt Back to Life dry shampoo, and guys, it didn't take me even 2 months to finish off this product. I'm not even kidding y'all. Like, I used to use this product so much because my scalp used to turn so greasy, and I mean, it used to become very irritating because I couldn't style my hair. It used to look like a chumpy girl, and I can't even tell you how much this has saved my life. It comes with a spray nozzle. You can just spray out the product on your hair and just massage it a bit, and it does the job pretty well. This is literally my lifesaver. It's just amazing. Our next category is lip balms, and I have these two lip balms that I have emptied. At least, like, I have emptied a lot of them, but I have thrown away most of them. So these are the two I have with me, so I'm talking about them. So the first one is this Nivea Blackberry Shine. It is the usual Nivea lip balms. It is in the variant Blackberry Shine. I've emptied it out completely. There's nothing left in this, and I really liked using this. And it also used to give me a nice amount of tint to my lips, and on days when I didn't want to wear a lipstick, I could just easily wear this and move out of my house. The second one is this Biotique Bio Aloe Vera Nourishing Lip Balm. Now the best part about this is it has SPF 30. Like, yes, let me tell you guys, the lip pigmentation which we normally have, that's because of UV rays to some extent, and if you apply this, your lips are also protected, and you can, you know, control the discoloration of your lips. So I really enjoyed using this. This is a heavy lip balm, okay? You have to be ready for some heaviness on your lips. This is a heavy lip balm, and you have to wear this. This is especially good for girls who do not want to wear a lipstick, nor do they like any color tint in their lip balms and all. This is amazing. It will give you protection from the sun as well, and it is extremely nourishing. Like, I love this stuff. The last category for this video is makeup. Now, there are just two makeup products. I'll quickly talk about them. The first product in makeup category is this Maybelline White Super Fresh 12 Hours Whitening. I don't want to promote that idea. I'm very against this term, but anyway, let's not give our attention to that term. This also has SPF 28 in it, so when you are going out, once you apply a sunscreen, if you feel that it's going a little too greasy on your face, you can just apply this. This also will give you additional sunscreen, SPF 28. It is EA+++, and god damn it, I really need to show you how I have used this. Like, this is how I've used this. You can literally use it as a mirror right now. That's how much I have used it. I have not left a single particle on this. That is how much I loved this compact. Of course, I want to repurchase this, but then I have a lot of compacts lying in my vanity right now, and I really do not want to buy more even when I don't need it. So if I get a chance that I run out of all my compact powders, I will definitely give this another shot. And the last product for this video is, okay, oh my god, this has to be my favoriteest, if that term even exists. It has to be my most favorite product in this entire video. It is none other than the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I can't start telling you how freaking much I love this. I bought this in 3 shades. 2 are already lying because they are highlighting concealers for me, so I don't really highlight my face every day. But yes, when I go out, I do like to correct the acne scars that I have, just like I have done today. I do not have really heavy makeup on my face. I've just concealed my acne scars and a bit of my dark circles today for this video, and this is exactly my skin color. So even if I wear this today, also I'm wearing this. It was the last use of this concealer, and I thought that since I am making this video, why not show this. Like, you can see I have literally emptied this out. This sponge is also empty. You cannot get any product out of it. It's just a little bit of staining and that's it. I love this 2 bits, and I swear I have like tons of concealers lying around, but I am going to restock on this. This was in the shade medium, which was my skin, and I could just wear this and go out. So I will have to repurchase this. And with this product, I come to an end of this particular video. This was part 1. In the next part, I will also show you empties only, but I will show you those empties which I really regret buying. I didn't enjoy using them, but I had to because I spent my money on them. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you all did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, just dislike it, but please kuch to kar do yaar. Also, do let me know in the comment section below how you felt about the video. I am super excited because I am planning to really post out tons and tons of videos now. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.